Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about main characteristics of plotted development. Plotted development is the common form of the development in any urban areas that you might see. It is the most common form of development in suburban areas and so on. It involves development based on the comprising of number of plots having variable size, generally of a smaller size. So this is a you will find most common form of planned development. Land is generally owned individually or jointly in the name of few family members or friends to promote individual housing in the area. So in here you will find that the plots will be subdivided into a smaller plots where individual will construct their own house. In the plotted development, you will find that there is low-rise buildings, mostly three-story height buildings will be there, one story, two story, or three story. With larger area going under road, open space will be very small in the community, but they will be more dependent on the community level facilities like neighborhood park and others. But in the colony, there will be very less open space. There will be low housing density due to individual ownership depending upon the individual capacity, resource, or willingness to construct entire or part of the building. Usually, this will be low density area. Open spaces available within the plot and held in private ownership will be limited use by the owners, increasing the need for provision of larger open space at a neighborhood or at a sector level planning. So you will find that there is a less of open space which will mostly in the semi-private open space. The cost of construction of building will be very high generally. This is because individual will construct their house depending on their budget, and they will use individual technology, and they will hire some individual contractor for construction of the building. There will be low social sustainability due to lower social interaction among the individuals who are residing in the colony, because most of them will be plotted development and individuals from different community will come and reside there. They will construct their homes. There will be low level of safety and security due to individual living in individual plots and houses. This promotes individual living, which leads to anonymity among the individuals who are residing there, and they try to be exclusive. They try to be keep aloof from other people, and they don't want to be associated with other people residing in the colony. There will be more design flexibility due to single unit or the ownership residing in individuals. Because they have the individual ownership, they will design their homes based on their own choice and capacity of the spending. There will be higher cost due to the individual maintenance of the resources for construction of the building and maintenance of the buildings. There will be expensive considering the life cycle cost of the buildings because of individual low creation of the housing stock, because individual will construct generally one or two story buildings, and they will try to keep that for their personal use. So this will not lead to increase in the housing stock of the city. This makes also cost of construction of building high and unaffordable due to the land cost and cost of construction. Because if you construct multi-story buildings, then cost of construction will reduce, but if you construct only one or two story buildings, then cost of construction will be very high. So there will be inefficient method to create larger affordable housing stock. There is no sustainability due to larger dependence on the common facilities available in the areas like water, municipal water supply, sewerage network, solid waste collection system of the municipal government. This form of the development offers limited options for using state-of-art constructions technologies for the better utilization of the resources. So mostly they will not be able to use the very good construction techniques. This offers limited effective or efficient, cost-effective options for promoting energy efficiency, rainwater harvesting, or groundwater harvesting. This is more stable when we plan as a community, is community planning. But in individual plotted level development, this is not available, and most often this is not done in a proper manner. Thank you for discussion. We will discuss other topic in next lecture.